Are you struggling to face the day with the challenge that you have on your mind? Or perhaps your days feel like they start with a heavy sigh or a despair? Is your mind saying more of I can't instead of I can? Let's change that. Hi, I'm Coach Anika, and welcome to another episode of Rewrite Your Story. In this episode, I'm going to be sharing some insights from my own journey of entrepreneurship, where I've had to face challenges as well. And 3 simple strategies have helped me on those days that I feel more of I can't, so that I can change the day to look like more of I can. Entrepreneurship is a path of risks, of uncertainties, of resilience. Now, on this path, we're faced with ups and downs on a regular basis. We're on a path which is new. We're faced with challenges that we're familiar with, sometimes very unfamiliar with. We're putting ourselves out of our comfort zones regularly. So with this comes the up and down that feels like a roller coaster. And on those days that it feels really down and down, the stories that we tell ourselves influence the way that we think. We are the drivers of our business. Yeah. We've got to get out of bed every day, step into the car, switch on the engine with clarity of where we're going and how we're going to get there. If you don't get out of bed, don't get into the car, the business is not going to move. The car is just going to stand. No one's going to step in. No one's going to do it. And the car's not going to move by itself. Be it a bright and sunny day, be it a dark or a rainy day, or perhaps a cloudy or a dull looking day. Whatever color on the spectrum kind of day it is, we've got to get out there. And the choice of it depends completely on us. The choice of how we see it, how we perceive it, and show up is entirely ours. We can choose not to get out of bed with the fear of the negative outcomes, but the story is not going to change by itself. Or we can rewrite the story that we are telling ourselves for the positive outcomes that it can bring for us. Here are some ways that have helped me on the toughest of days to throw the covers off and spring out of bed, to face the fears, the uncertainties, the challenges that I may be facing on that particular day. So let's get on with it, because these are going to help you too. We'll start with a reminder of your why. Ask yourself, what is it that brought you to this point? What is it that made you an entrepreneur? Remind yourself of your purpose. Remind yourself of your why. If you've missed episode number 8, I invite you to check it out, because you'll find how I help define your purpose if it isn't clear for you yet. Strategy number 2, you want to reframe your what. The what that you're feeling in terms of the fear that is stopping you from getting out of bed or from taking that step to move forward on a particular challenge or a task at hand. Ask yourself, what is it that you're really afraid of? Challenge yourself on the truth of the fears that you're facing. Is it a fear of failure? If it is, check out episode number 6, where we redefine failure versus success. Or perhaps there are some limiting beliefs that are holding you back. Here, check out episode number 13, where I share some insights into how you can identify those beliefs that are probably holding you back and creating those fears from taking the step forward that needs to be taken in order for your car to move. Yeah. Strategy number 3, you want to rewire the how. The how of shifting your focus from the fears and the need to perhaps win that challenge to the joy and the content it would bring if it were just a game. No winners, no losers. This is where your love and your passion behind the reason that you became an entrepreneur lies. This is a stark reminder of why you love what you do. Now, if you have some lack of clarity on your joy, your love behind the work that you do, or how your passion can be redefined, then I invite you to check out episode number 13. Don't limit yourself with the limiting beliefs or the fears of who you were. These may be voicing in your mind today, coming out as the I can't, coming out as the I just can't do this. Oh my gosh. You want to lean into who you are today and who you aspire to grow into tomorrow. Take a look at how far you've come. Our mind does not have a mind of its own. If we organize our thinking, we can create better results for ourselves and those around us, because we are the stories that we tell ourselves. So own it, believe in yourself, have fun. You got this. Yeah. So recap again on 3 R's, simple strategies to help you restore your I can't to I can. Remind yourself of your why, your purpose. Reframe the what that you're feeling right now in terms of the fear. And rewire the how on treating the situation as a game because you love it. It brings you joy. It is linked to the joy and the passion that you have behind the work that you do. I'd love to hear from you on insights from your journey, on how you probably face your fears and keep moving forward on this path of ups and downs, but those that keep making us resilient and stronger as entrepreneurs. I'll see you again on the next episode of Rewrite Your Story. Until then, take care and stay awesome.